Let's assume that you can't connect either with SSH or with PuTTY or with any of the tools we have seen before. There still is a possibility to connect to the instance by using the console. We click on Connect, several solutions appear. The first one is an autonomous SSH client. The second one is a session manager. We will come back to this method later on. Finally, you have the ability to connect by using EC2 Instance Connect. Today we'll be using this very last method. The process is rather simple. We connect with the default user of the Amazon image we have chosen, in our case the Amazon Linux 2. We are then connected to our machine. With this method, there is no need to manage a key. In the background, the console will generate a key on the fly and for this session only. These are temporary keys that ensure a secured connection. So it is possible to apply the same commands. By typing "who am I," we get the same answer as with the terminal in PuTTY, but here the process is simplified and therefore much faster. Here everything is done from the browser. EC2 Instant Connect is rather simple to use. That's it for today.